What is up? What is up, Chubbs? What is happening, my Damie?
What a time.
It is your girl, your favorite Chubbette here. So, we are about to watch another support court with Judge Vonda B react. Is going to react to it, and the video came out April 12th, and it's called "I Need More Money." So we're going to get into it in just a second. I will leave the original video in the description box. Subscribe and turn on those notifications, okay? And comment if you will. So I'm not gonna hold y'all. This video is not that long. It's like 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into it.
All rise. Support court with Judge Vonda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1062, Henry case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Miss Henry,
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Henry, excuse me, you brought this case before the court.
Yes,
What's
I'm
going
married.
on?
Well, I'm bringing my husband, hopefully ex-husband soon,
okay.
child support. He roughly pays about $1,000 a month, and I feel he should be paying more because he makes more. He makes more than I do.
Okay, but he's not under a court order, right?
No, ma'am. He just gives.
So he voluntarily gives you $1,000 a month for child support.
Yes, and exactly voluntarily gives me.
You know what volunteer means, ma'am? That he gives it to you without asking. Like, here's this grand, so I can give you this money. There's women waiting on child support from they baby daddies. They get $24, and that's only because it's court ordered. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Like, but let's get more into this story. Let me stop.
Me money. Every
But
now and
that's a
then.
good thing, right?
Every now and then he gives me money. Then most time I'm begging for him to give me money.
Still get it?
So what's going on?
You went from
fill
he
me
gives
in.
it
How
to
do we
you to
get here
beg.
today?
We're here today because I know he's a truck driver. He's over the road all the time. But like I
Okay.
said, I need more money for my children. They're in activities, private school. I just need more money. And I'm not jealous of him or anything like that. That's what he said before, but I'm not.
You said they're in activities and they go to private school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it fair to assume that the $1,000 is covering that?
No, it's not.
So
can
who
let-
gets the money, the
okay.
kids or you?
Well, of course, I have to look good too, but I don't spend that money on
Oh
myself.
no!
No.
Girl. I see why she wants this more money. You about to divorce this man, but you want him to continue to give you money. It was a perfect drinkity-drink day. I'm off all this week, so yeah, it's not just for the children, okay? It's for your behind, girl.
No, I do not. No, I do not. You don't have proof of that.
Your Honor, I currently.
have proof of that?
I currently.
Okay, You do not have proof of that?
Excuse me. Okay. As best you can, try not to interject until I'm done speaking with her, and I promise I will come over to you.
Thank you, because I was talking.
I was talking to him. I did not need you to echo me, okay?
ma'am.
Exactly.
All right. Now you answer my questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Wouldn't it be fair to say that with the tuition as well as the children's expenses, that $1,000 is covering that?
It's not.
How much is the tuition?
Tuition is, we have 2 children.
Okay.
And tuition is it's about $500 a piece. That's $1,000 right there. And I still need more money because I need clothes. I need to feed them.
Does he give you any money in regards to extra, like for the extracurricular activities or anything like
I'm
that?
trying to get extra. He won't give me that. No, he does not give me extra.
What is the visitation schedule between the two of you?
He has the kids Sunday through Wednesday.
That's split.
Yes.
He's still.
So let me just
So
make
he's-
sure I got this straight.
So he has the kids Sunday through Wednesday. So that's what's that? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. He has the kids for 4 days. You have the kids for 3. I think you need to go ahead and change that around. You have the kids less days than he do, and you asking for more money. I'm not gonna play with this woman. Okay. Okay. Oh, she
He's voluntarily giving you $1,000 a month for child support, correct?
That's correct.
He has the children, you said Sunday through Wednesday,
Yes,
which means you have them Wednesday through Sunday.
that's correct.
Who pays health insurance?
I do, Your Honor.
How much is
I'm
health
talking-
insurance?
It's roughly $309 a month. She asked me a question.
But she's
All right.
still talking to me though.
Okay, I did ask him a question. So, everything that I just repeated back to you is accurate, right?
He has money.
Yeah.
He's spending on other
That wasn't
women.
my question.
See,
Everything
look at
I
that.
just repeated back to you is
Girl.
accurate, right?
Pretty much.
So I'm
Yes,
confused as to
basically.
why you're here. Are you trying to put him on?
I want to
won't-
I want to put him on.
You
child
want to
support.
put him on child support
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the $1,000, or are you trying to put him on child support for something more?
Something more, yes.
Okay, let me move over to, well, before I move over to him, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
All right, how much money you make?
I make about 60,000.
All right, do you have access to private health insurance for the children?
Yes, I do, but I'm a teacher. I don't have that extra. That's
Oh,
why
no.
father should help out
Come
with
on,
that.
girl.
He does.
Goodbye,
he pays
girl.
health
He
insurance.
does already.
just
He
said
already pays the
309.
insurance.
Yes.
So you can't say he needs to help out with that because he's already doing
Okay,
it.
you're right, Your Honor. Okay.
Okay, all right. Now, sir, what do you do for a living?
I'm a truck driver.
Truck driver. How much money do you make?
I make roughly maybe 82 a year.
All right.
Okay.
Now, help
Girl.
me make sense of this. You give her $1,000 a month for the children. You pay health insurance. You all have a split schedule.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
I'm missing something. Like, what is the issue? Why are we here? Because I would think that you bring someone to
'Cause-
child support court if they're not doing something. I do understand making it legal, putting it in a document, but you're asking for more money. So I'm trying to get the disconnect here.
'Cause
So
like I
what
said,
it
he
is,
has
Your
other
Honor,
women he's spending money on.
She never lets me talk. So.
See, that's what it is. You want the money for yourself, but don't want the man, and you worried about these women that he's spending time with. You don't care about them children. I'm not saying you don't, you do, but your main point is you need to be given majority of your money. I don't want you, but I want your money. But he's voluntarily giving you $1,000 and paying the health insurance on the children, and y'all have a split 3.5. You have a split 7-day week with the kids. Okay, like you just being greedy, girl.
Talk.
Exactly.
Okay.
What it is, Your Honor, she's she didn't mention this, but she's engaged.
Wow.
And she just found out that I'm recently dating, so now she's mad at me.
Oh, I'm mad.
There
I'm
goes
mad.
the
Very
conflict.
bad.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
There goes the
Yes, you is.
conflict.
Yes, you
I
is,
asked
girl.
what
Yes, you is. You literally said you want him to give you money, and you got a whole entire man engaged, not even divorced yet. Yes, yeah, he's dating, but honey, you whole ass engaged. How long y'all been separated that you had enough time to have a man and be engaged, and you want your ex-husband to support you? Girl.
the disconnect here. It was something missing. So you brought him to court because he has a new girlfriend
No, ma'am. I'm not
That's
mad
exactly
about him.
why, Your Honor.
and you're engaged.
Yes, ma'am.
He's still gonna want to marry you after he see what you're doing to this man?
He's on my side about this.
Of course he is.
Of course he is, because he'll.
agrees that he should be paying more than
Yes.
$1,000 a month
Yes,
in
like I
child
said,
support.
Because y'all want to live off this man. Y'all want to live off this man. Because think about it is, he won't be able to pay he won't be able to pay you alimony because you're gonna be whole ass married. And for what I've heard from people, like once you get married, they're not liable to pay you alimony. You got somebody to take care of you now. So why the hell would I pay you alimony if you're getting married? But this is child support, and she talking about, oh well, he agrees with me, yeah, because he probably some dust bucket that don't do little to nothing, and y'all want to live off this man's money, and it's not like he's not for his kids. You being too messy, girl.
He has other women that he pretty much
What does
tricking
his
money
other
on.
women have to do with
What
anything?
does it have to do with
Frankly,
anything?
you shouldn't care. You have a whole nother man that you should be worried about, and you over
Understand
here
that.
all in his business.
I'm not trying to be in
And
his
he doesn't
business.
even
You
work
are
there.
trying to be in his business because you have mentioned it twice.
See, what I tell you, dust bucket. There was a dust bucket. Said he ain't got no job. Yeah, he gonna agree to you getting more money from your soon-to-be ex-husband because he ain't working. He don't want to go get a job and help you take care of your kids that ain't no belong to him. He wants to live and sit on his ass. And you talking about, oh, I only make $60,000 a year, but you got this dust bucket sleeping in your bed and eating all your kids' fruit snacks. You need to go sit down somewhere.
That he has other women. His
Yes.
other women has nothing to do with this
It-
case.
it
So
really
you can
does,
pipe
Your Honor.
down
It really
and
does.
stop
No, it
bringing
don't,
that
'cause you got a
up.
whole
It has
ass
nothing
man.
to do with
Okay.
it. Well, let
It
me
really
say it
does.
like this. It is not going to have an impact on my decision today.
Wow. Okay.
Okay? Thank you. Now, so you have a new girlfriend and she's in her feelings about it. Okay?
She always try to come by to see if she's there. If she seals out, she always try to come make a hostile environment.
Did your fiance come to court today?
No, he didn't.
Oh, well, I'm glad. Because if
'Cause
what
I'm-
he's saying is true, that's not a good look.
I am not jealous. I'm not hating. I'm not coming by the house or anything looking for him.
Okay.
So again, the disconnect is
Stop spending that money on the other women and your
I
children.
need you to
See,
stop
look at you. You
interrupting me.
trying to control his money. You not even with
Because
him.
you have not done anything to prove to me yet that this man needs to pay you even the $1,000.
Okay.
You said the children are in private
Shut your
school.
mouth
It's
up.
$1,000 for private school.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's the whole child support, that I need more money to take care of them.
But you're a
You're
teacher.
taking care of yourself.
What?
You're not taking care of them.
You don't know that.
I do.
No,
Miss
you don't.
Henry, Miss
know
Henry,
that. Yes,
you
ma'am.
obviously came here to waste my time.
No,
okay?
no, Your
Uh-huh.
Honor.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you
Yes,
did.
you did.
You are asking for more money, and he's giving just that. He's giving $1,000. He's covering the kids' tuition.
So what about clothing?
Y'all have a split schedule.
I
He
buy
needs
them.
to
I got
maintain
clothes at my
clothing.
house.
Excuse me,
Please,
Mr.
you
Henry.
bring the
Excuse me.
kids
Give me a
back
minute.
home and they
Give me a
look
minute. Here's the reality of it. You all have a split schedule. You need to be providing clothing and everything for your home. You need to be providing clothing and everything for your home. This is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to order anybody to pay child support. What I'm going to do is that you testified to this. You said tuition was $1,000.
Yes.
$500 per child. So you know what? You're going to pay $500,
Wow.
and he's going to pay
Judge.
$500 directly to the school.
Stack your foot in that
It is
Make more
right.
money than I
And
do.
you're going to keep maintaining the health insurance. Okay. Now, if you decide to get private health insurance on your own through your employer, you're obviously you know you can do that. The children
She
can
ain't
be
gonna do
double
it.
insured. But
True.
I'm not going to have him pay
She not gonna do
more
it.
than $1,000 or even continue paying $1,000 when, based on both of your testimony, you have a split schedule. That's what's in the best interest of the children, and that's what's fair.
Fair.
That is fair.
That's not fair.
Well, it is fair today. Did you have anything else?
Ooh,
You got it. You got it.
It's always
ooh,
about
she
me.
mad, honey.
I asked you a question. Did you have anything further for today?
No, I don't.
Okay, Mr.
Just
Henry,
when
did
you
you
bring
have?
the kids back home, make sure they're dressed properly, please.
I bring them back with what the
Ooh.
phone is.
What? Okay.
Okay, well, Mr. Henry, is there anything further?
That's it, Your Honor.
If there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
She mad. She big mad. So my girl got on here and have a whole ass dust bucket for a fiance laying on her couch, agreeing that she needs to get more money from her soon-to-be ex-husband. And girl, she is terrible. But honey, and then you end up at the end of the day gotta pay half of that tuition. Girl, she bit mad. But that's the end of that video. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. And I'll be sure to check it out. And that is it. And I don't have to tell you what you need to do. I'm going to put it at the bottom of the screen. And if you stay to the end, thanks for coming around my way.
Sarate.